I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the background of any video in Canva using the new video background remover inside the Quick Actions panel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload your video, cut out the background instantly, enhance your audio for better clarity, and prepare your final export the right way. This is perfect for creators, educators, and anyone who wants clean videos without using complicated software. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Canva account and look at the left-hand panel. Click on Create, then choose Video. The moment you do that, Canva will display a set of tools under Quick Actions. One of these tools is the Video Background Remover. This is what makes the whole process simple and fast. Click on it, and if your video is not uploaded yet, hit the Upload button and select your file from your device. After uploading, click on your video thumbnail, and Canva will automatically open a blank canvas with the background remover already applied. You do not need to press anything else. Canva will handle it for you. Once your video loads on the canvas, you can take the quality a step further by improving your audio. Look for the Audio Tools button, then turn on Enhance Voice. This feature cleans up noise, sharpens your vocals, and makes your final video sound more polished. It is especially useful if you record in a room with echo, fan noise, or general background sounds. With both background removal and audio enhancement combined, you get a clean and professional-looking video in just a few clicks. Once you're done editing, click Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose MP4 for the highest quality and widest compatibility, especially if you plan to upload your video to social media platforms. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now removed your video background in Canva quickly and easily. If you want to explore more of Canva's newest video editing features, we made a separate video for that. Just click the pop-up that will appear on your screen. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.